What's the meaning of Comanche? Comanche. Comanche.
Comanche. Comanche. Comanche refers to a Native American tribe that originally inhabited the southern Great Plains region of North America. The name Comanche is believed to come from a Ute word meaning anyone who wants to fight me all the time. The Comanche people were known for their equestrian skills, fierce fighting tactics, and resistance against colonization. Today, many Comanche people still live in Oklahoma, where they have established their own government and preserved their rich cultural heritage through language, arts, and traditions.